Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up donations on Twitch. So let's have a look now. So first thing you need to do is make sure you are on your Twitch channel and logged in. Then what you need to do is go to a new tab and search for Streamlabs. Now you have to log in here. It will give us a few different ways to log in. We have got Twitch, Facebook, YouTube and a few others down here. Now we are going to log in into Twitch, so click continue with Twitch. We are already logged into Twitch, it's going to automatically detect this. Now I'm gonna click on authorize, then wait for this to load. So as you can see, it's now taking us to our Streamlabs dashboard. Now to get the donation, you need to come to the bottom left, scroll down a bit and come to account. Now go for settings. Once you are in settings, and as you can see here, it shows you tipping page where viewers can send you donations. Now we have to connect our payment method. Choose one. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.